This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Lindsay Maples. Adorable 2-story move-in ready home with a fantastic floor plan and plenty of curb appeal. Features include a relaxing covered front porch, spacious living area, gleaming hardwood floors throughout the main level, large eat-in kitchen west/tile floors that opens out to a relaxing back patio area and well-manicured backyard, all bedrooms and laundry room on the same level and a bonus room, or possible fourth bedroom, over the garage. Located in a well-maintained and friendly neighborhood that is only minutes from Fountain City, Three Ridges Golf Course, I-640 and area schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Lindsay Maples at 865-584-4000.